Smart glasses. You can spot them a mile away. They look geeky, uncomfortable, and distracting. And having a camera stuck to your face? It's kinda creepy. Introducing View, the world's first pair of smart glasses that match your lifestyle and your look. Regular earphones transmit sound through the air, but View's bone conduction speakers transmit it through vibrations. Sent directly to your inner ear, only you can hear it.
Hi, Judy. Let's get today started.
Bone conduction lets you stay aware of your surroundings, even as you enjoy your music. View is built for people who use prescription glasses, sunglasses, and even style frames. At an ultra-light 28 grams, it won't weigh you down. View talks to your phone via Bluetooth. With the app, you can perform a range of different tasks without checking your phone. Like take a call, hands-free.
You have a call from Leslie.
Hey Leslie, what's going on?
Get directions,
In 200 feet, turn left on 10th Street.
or control your music. View is designed for work and play. It has a water-resistant housing and built-in activity tracking.
You ran 6,000 steps today and burned 350 calories. Nice job.
You can set friendly reminders,
Hey Dylan, you've been sitting for a while. Let's take a break.
and it's simple to customize the long press and the double tap.
The time is 3:35 p.m.
Always losing your specs? With Find My Glasses, you can easily locate them anywhere. View has two designs, classic and trendy. With its easy-to-use charging case, View's batteries last up to 1 week. Smart glasses that fit your lifestyle and your look.
How?
I hear it, the sound's coming through.
Yeah, I like it. So funny.
Whoa.
Hallo?
Hey, du hörst einfach die Musik.
Yeah. Oh wow, that's really cool. That's crazy.
Hello?
Hello? Sorry about that.